Thank you for choosing Ally Tools and Parts for all your welding needs. In this video, we will demonstrate our Triple Flint Striker with 9 rotatable flints. Each of our flint strikers has 8 extra flints and 1 flint already pre-installed. The cylindrical file delivers excellent sparks on demand and will last for years to come. The body of the Flint Striker is zinc plated to prevent rust and corrosion. To replace or rotate a flint, simply loosen the middle screw. Each rotatable flint features 3 individual flints. So in every Flint Striker set, you get a total of 27 flints. In order to rotate or replace your flints, you will need a flathead screwdriver. First, dislodge the rotatable flint from the cylindrical file. Now loosen the middle screw. Once loose, you can rotate the flint without removing the screw. Please make sure to align the flints to the center notch, as it keeps the flints properly in place. If you want to replace the flint, remove the middle screw and place a new flint on the striker. Remember to reinsert the middle screw and securely tighten. Replacing and rotating your flints is necessary to ensure your Flint Striker gives you consistent sparks. Our Triple Flint Strikers are perfect for Bunsen burners, welding torches, and gas appliances. Thanks again for choosing Ally Tools and Parts for all your welding needs.